January 2nd, 2026. On the eve of the first full moon of the year, I made Florida water for the first time. This full moon was a supermoon, also known as the wolf moon. Supermoons usually are brighter and fuller than usual, but I really was believing in what I don't see because I did not get a peek at the full moon on January 3rd because it was so cloudy. So the first thing I add are my citrus peels for freshness, clarity, and wakefulness of the spirit and preservation. It keeps the water from becoming dull or stagnant over time. I added a bay leaf for alignment between thought, speech, and action. Sage for purity of intention, calm, and order. Clarity. Now, like I said, I am making this for the first time, so I have so much more research to do on why I'm adding what I'm adding. I just know that these are the base. These are traditional. I'm adding mint for mental clarity and openness. I'm adding basil for blessing, favor, protection of the household. Clove for protection and grounding, boundary setting, stability, and strength. Cinnamon for warmth, movement, and vitality. Pink salt for purification, preservation. I'm using 80 proof alcohol, and this is going to extract the properties from the plants and preserve the work and prevent decay. A lot of people use Everclear. Maybe I'll try that next time. I'm just adding a little bit more clove because I had the essential oil and I'm thinking, why not? Go on and add it. And rosemary oil because, oh my gosh, when I was shopping, I could not find fresh rosemary. Sickening. And then I'm adding distilled water and sealing it up. I wanted to speak with words over this Florida water, so I went and got my mother's Bible and read some chapters from Psalms. I was pleasantly surprised to recognize some of the words in a current song, a gospel song. It goes, "Create in me a clean heart and purify me, create in me a clean heart so I may worship thee." Now please chat with me about this Florida water in the comments. I would love to hear from you.